Hi guys, a very quick tip about how to add a thumbnail in your YouTube Shorts. Put your thumbnail in the beginning of your short, and here what you do is you count till 15 frames. So I'll say 1 2 15. So once you're done with that, simply export it, and then one pro tip is to upload that from your phone. So I'm done with exporting this. I will show you how to upload it from your phone now. So I have exported my clip, and the thumbnail is in the beginning of the video for 15 seconds. So this is the video, and if I pause it, now you can see in the beginning I have my thumbnail for 15 frames. The video is ready to be uploaded. I will go to YouTube, and you can see the plus icon in the middle on down. So you can click on that, and then I will choose, and I will say this is the video, which is 1 minute and 36 seconds. I will say next, and here I will say done. It will start processing the video. So once the processing is done, I will click on next, and here you can see the thumbnail, and you have this pencil icon. I can click on this, and then I can scrub through to choose my thumbnail. So I will click it in the middle. This way it will make sure that this is going to be the thumbnail of your video. So this is how easy it is to put a thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. In case you didn't know and it was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.